So I've been letting my beard start to grow back out here over the past few weeks. Got it looking good. No heat on it because I'm living my best balm life. So I got a brand new product here. Whiskey and Hardtack has just released some balms, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Got it in my favorite scent from Whiskey and Hardtack, Nighthawk. Also have the Greenhorn unscented. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. So welcome, guys. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And I love chatting with Miss Holly behind the scenes. She's like, I'm going to send you one of our balms. I was like, cool. I hadn't tried one. I didn't realize that they didn't really have balms before now. So I didn't realize this was a new product. And I got it in my favorite scent, which is Nighthawk, the top #1 scent for 2021 from me. I don't know what'll make the list on 2022, but make sure you stay subscribed and we're going to check that out. So this is like a balm that I like. Now, it doesn't quite have the rattle. Almost has the rattle. So I like the ones that rattle because I like a firm balm. If I'm going to use a balm, I want it to do some stuff. So this one is nourishing, but it also has quite a bit of hold. Okay. I would call this just below firm. All right, so it's above a medium hold. So just below firm, easy to get out, no grit, easy to work with, goes in your beard well. And as you can see, it definitely tames the flyaways. This is my beard with no heat on it or anything. So my flyaways are tamed, my beard's feeling soft, does not feel like a sticky residue or anything. It pretty much kind of soaks in and makes your beard feel soft and tames it at the same time and gives you that feeling all day long. So it's a great combination to go along. Whiskey and Hardtack's oil, which is on the thinner side. So I know some guys like the thicker oil. So you want to get that really kind of deep conditioning, extra softness all day long. The oil does it for me, but some guys just like the weightiness of heavier oils. You can use the balm or even their full-bodied butter and as a good combination on that, which I have that here in my favorite scent. The ingredients are just slightly different. The oil is just slightly different ingredients than the butter and just slightly different ingredients than the balm. So the balm ingredients are shea butter, mango butter. So it's not just beeswax. You're getting those added butters, which gives you that extra nourishment. Sunflower oil, lanolin, beeswax, and cerebellina. So all of those last three are kind of wax variations. So they'll give you some of that extra hold as you go. So I also have the Greenhorn, which is unscented. I always like getting that because sometimes, especially with a shea butter or some of these other carrier oils, especially on a balm or a butter, they'll be really strong. And here is very, very minimal for the scent to it. I smell just a little hint of the carriers, but it's not like some of the shea butters that I've smelled where it's pretty prominent and really kind of affects it. So when we have it in the Nighthawk scent, it smells just like the oil, smells just like the butter, and there's no carrier ingredients that are going to smell bad and kind of take away from your experience there. So I wanted to mention that. And let me know if you are still using balm these days. If not, I would suggest trying this because it does not feel, once you get it in your beard, doesn't feel a lot different than having a butter in your beard, even though this does come with a pretty high hold on it as well. So if you want to maybe try going a day without using heat, if you're a heat person, try going without it and using the balm instead and see how that does. So I also wanted to tell you about which scents are currently available in balms. It's not quite all of the Whiskey and Hardtack scents yet. I don't know if the rest of them are coming or they're going to just hold with these and see how they sell and go from there. So if you don't see your favorite listed and you're interested in getting that in a balm, make sure you drop a comment below or message Whiskey and Hardtack about that. But currently they've got Greenhorn, which is the unscented, which we talked about, and then Nighthawk, which is my favorite scent. They also have Gambling Man and Ravager, which I love both of those scents. Mystery Man is also good. And then they also have Gentleman's Cut, which are great choices there. So if you don't see yours, like I said, drop a comment below that you're interested in picking those up, and maybe they'll be coming soon in future batches. But I wanted to also let you know that this is 2 ounces, goes for $19.95. You can always save 15% at Whiskey and Hardtack with my affiliate code, which is Banjo15. Always appreciate your support, guys, when you do use my codes. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.